Hey all, it is Glam Gamer Rebecca here. I recorded this a while ago, and yes, I know my voice isn't the best. I'm recovering from an allergic reaction to a prescription drug that my physician put me on, so it'll come in and out. Anyways, so I had somebody give me this really cool at-home like popcorn maker that looks like one of those big carts you would find in a movie theater. And I know all like the huge big YouTubers and stuff, they have like their own like movie theater room and that kind of stuff, and they have one of these that's like full size. Well, I have a mini version of it, and I figured I would record me making some popcorn with it. So that's what this video is. I hope you enjoy. Is it close enough to catch it, or do we need to?
No, you can move it closer. And look at the frame.
I'm afraid that they're all going to come popping out. We've got a couple of poppers so far. Oh, hang on. Ah! Honey, there's popping kernels everywhere. Ah! It's only popping like some of it. Okay, we need to rescue the.
Yep.
I can't get that one out. That's stuck here. Hang on. Oh, hello?
I was trying to get down to
Jason. Good thing I put it back when I did, huh? Okay, I think we need another bowl because I didn't expect it would do that. It's been a while since I've used it. I think it's super cute.
Can't hear it again.
Well, I'm having a little bit more success to keep this stuff in the bowl this time. There's a couple still running around in there. They just weren't full. They're really fertile. Okay. We'll pop that one a little bit more. I'm just closing these counters too. Make it press again. No, there's still several of them running around.
I mean, they're popping.
Huh?
They seem like they're popping.
They're still running around. Give them a minute. Yeah. Perfect timing. Oh, they're spinning it all the way up to the top. Maybe there's a dud.
Yeah, that's okay.
Hello?
Yeah, most of them, but not much.
Hello? Hey, you're just scribbling out.
Yeah, it's crackling and popping.
Who doesn't made all over my counter? I just cleaned it. Hey, can you imagine if there was butter on this stuff? That'd be even bigger mess to clean up. Even over here. So, should we call it?
Yep. Hang with the popping now. A little bit of some burn.
We probably wouldn't want to eat those anyways because, that thing's hot. There's
Leave 'em.
4 kernels in there and, they're all at least split.
Yeah, so they're not gonna pop. They split the.
So, what do you think about my cool little movie popcorn maker? I noticed that this is an air pop only. You're not supposed to put any like butter or liquids or anything in it because there's little slots at the bottom of that cylinder where the air circulates the popcorn kernels to heat them and to pop. So you're not supposed to put like any butter or anything in it. And I noticed that putting stuff on like right after it was made, like the salt or anything like that, it doesn't seem to make a whole lot of difference with the popcorn because it all just kind of goes to the bottom. So I'm gonna have to figure out a system where like I do like a light, I can't believe it's not butter kind of spray or something on the popcorn and then try and like put seasoning and stuff over it, but I will have to figure that out for another time. If you guys want to see me do this again, then let me know. This is just something cute and fun and quick that I figured I would record. Let me know your thoughts down below. And because this item was a gift, I can't link it. I can try and find something similar to it on like Amazon or something like that if you do want me to link something similar to it. But I just figured this would be cute. Anyways, see you all later. Have a fantabulous day or night wherever you are. Bye.